Hi guys, it's Nick from 𝘞𝘈𝘔𝘌𝘓𝘐. Look how excited I am at this video today. You've never seen one of these before. The 2025 Trigano Mini Freestyle. It's the racing edition. You can take your bike on holiday with you. Let's have a look around.
I'd just like to show you around the inside and talk through some of the key features that the Mini has. It's got a double bed. You can set up as two singles. You can get your motorbike inside. It's got a full pop-up roof. It's got a shower with a cubicle, fully functioning fridge. It's got your gas hob. It's got a shower, a full toilet. It's got all your 240 plug sockets. Lovely storage spaces up and above. The table is removable. You can sit outside and dine al fresco. Thanks for watching.